This is the O2 workstation from Silicon Graphics. It redefines the workstation by combining performance you expect from Silicon Graphics with the power of the web. This desktop system has tremendous compute and interactive 3D graphics power, plus a whole new set of features that you'd never expect in a computer at this price. Silicon Graphics has made this blend of traditional workstation performance and next-generation capabilities possible through an innovative new architecture. What's most exciting is you can afford to put this power on the desk of every engineer and creative professional in your company.
The O2 radically changes the workstation landscape. It brings consumer technologies together with high-end 3D technologies, with integrated imaging and multimedia, infuses the web throughout that, and it basically builds the best integrated workstation that has ever been built.
This new hardware workstation technology has taken everything from the high end, brought it down to the desktop for the first time.
The O2 workstation is based on the industry's first high-performance unified memory architecture. All data, whether graphics, video, audio, or compute, goes directly into memory, which is the heart of this machine. No longer is your data being moved around between a series of individual computer boards. This elegant architecture enables the O2 workstation to spend more time actually working on data than on moving it.
O2 is a revolutionary new architecture for workstations. Things haven't changed in the last 3 years in the workstation industry. With O2, we've taken the key bottleneck in workstations, which has been bandwidth, and we've absolutely eliminated it.
The key in system design is knowing what to leave out. And with the unified memory architecture, we have been able to leave out a lot of components that others have to add to their machines for these kind of capabilities.
The architecture really allows us now to provide a set of integrated tools to the masses of users out there.
Silicon Graphics has always been known for building the most powerful workstations. O2 continues that leadership by bringing the most advanced CPU technology and stunning 3D graphics to every user. In markets like manufacturing, animation, and the sciences, O2's capabilities will redefine what users expect of their desktop.
We really are finding a high level of performance at a very good price, so that the value to the customer is phenomenal.
Whenever you can interactively adjust something, you know, like texture mapping with hardware texture mapping, it kind of keeps the workflow going. You know, you get in a rhythm, and you can kind of get in rhythm and kind of really produce a lot of work in a shorter period of time.
Visual is everything in this business. When you look at something and feel that after you finish the model and shaded it, that you want to reach in and pull it out of the screen, that means that people are going to be able to review that product and know exactly what you're trying to tell them and show them. That's important.
The world is changing, and so is the nature of data. O2 works with all the media types that professional applications require. CAD designers can now create a video of a texture-mapped assembly and send it to a PC user on the manufacturing floor via their intranet. In industries ranging from entertainment to medicine, O2's combination of 3D, video, and image processing significantly advances the way users can look at the world.
This machine will give a lot of quick working due to everything it has built in. It has built-in compression, it has built-in video, it has built-in graphics acceleration, it has a built-in high-speed CPU, so it has built-in ultra-SCSI, very fast networking, so exactly the components we want, exactly the components we need in one box.
We allow the users now to capture actually the animation of their designs. Not only to capture that on the screen, but also to output that in a standard video format so they can communicate that with external locations, customers, suppliers.
In the past, it has taken 1 to 2 hours to work up a case in a 3D environment. Our product, based on the new SGI technology, we expect to be able to deliver a case to a radiologist start to finish in 5 minutes.
One of the most fundamental changes in computing has been the advent of the World Wide Web. It is changing the way we access information and having a profound effect on how teams of people work together. O2's integrated web user environment brings drag and drop to the realm of professional communication. Together with O2's ability to handle everything from 3D to video to HTML, it puts a powerful set of communications tools at the user's fingertips.
With O2, what we've done is we've taken some very important communications technologies, which are all based upon the web, and we've infused them into the machine in such a way that many O2s can link together. You can tie your organization together in an intranet right out of the box.
It's actually much easier to move electrons than people, so we have to, there's the web again. If you're going to collaborate over the wire, then that would be a very valuable tool. There again, if you're going to do that kind of thing, you need to manage data better. There's the web again.
The O2 is the ideal workstation for CAD, post-production, website creation, and scientific visualization. It is designed for professionals on the critical path, the creative and engineering teams that lead their company's competitive drive.
Now companies will be able to afford to equip many of their engineers with the power that they've come to expect from an SGI machine.
Now we can hire so many more artists and put them on boxes that sort of don't break the bank, where the investment is a reasonable investment.
Whenever you can bring real-time feedback and real-time imagery back, you're going to positively impact your bottom line and the time your production takes. And as everyone knows, in this business, time is money. It's a real cliche, but it's really true.
As we increase functionality built into hardware and as we increase performance, our users experience a real benefit. Bottom line.
You get this box, you put it on the desk, you start working. You know, you've got an ISDN line into your house, and you can do shots in your garage for any major motion picture. These boxes aren't limited. Just because they're on the desktop doesn't mean you can't do high-end work. The opposite is true.
Harnessing the power of the web, giving people capabilities they never had, translating those capabilities into results. That's what O2 is all about. It has the power to let you see what's possible.